Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Verizon 5G for connected EV diagnostics, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Verizon 5G for connected EV diagnostics, start by ensuring that your electric vehicle is compatible with 5G technology. Next, check that you have a Verizon 5G data plan. If you don't have one yet, visit the Verizon website or a local store to set up a plan that suits your needs. Once you have your plan, locate your vehicle's 5G connected device. This device is typically found in the car's infotainment system or as a separate unit. Make sure your vehicle is parked and turned on to establish a stable connection. Now, access the vehicle's settings menu. Look for the network or connectivity options within the menu. Select the option to enable 5G connection. You may need to enter your Verizon account details for verification. After logging in, find the option to connect to Verizon's 5G network. Once connected, you should see a confirmation message indicating the successful activation of 5G. Next, download the dedicated app for your EV diagnostic system from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and log in using your Verizon account credentials. Follow the on-screen instructions to link the app to your vehicle's diagnostics system. Ensure that the app has the necessary permissions to access your vehicle's data. After linking, check if the app displays real-time diagnostics data. If successful, your vehicle is now connected to Verizon 5G for diagnostics. To ensure everything is working properly, run a few diagnostic tests using the app. Keep your vehicle updated with the latest software to maintain optimal connectivity. That's it, you've successfully activated Verizon 5G for your electric vehicle's connected diagnostics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.